Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see the next topic of this lesson is uniform circular motion. Already we are very familiar about the topic is circular motion, which means an object which moves in a circular path is called as an circular motion. So along with that, when it's moving with a uniform, which means what na? It covers a distance with a time with a constant speed is called a uniform motion, isn't it? So which is when an object moves in a circular path along with the constant speed is called uniform circular motion. See here, to know this uniform circular motion, let me just imagine a stone tied with a thread. When you rotate that, in which position it will move? It will move in a circular motion, isn't it? So like this way the object will move. If this is a thread and the stone will keep on moving the circular motion in all the direction. It covers this is how the object will move in a circular motion. So what is meant by a uniform circular motion means nothing but circular motion means it will move in a circular path along with a constant speed. When an object is moving with a constant speed along a circular path. So if this is the center point of the circle means from here the object is keep on moving in a circular path always with a constant speed. Okay, we know it covers the distance with the time constantly. Okay, so that is called the uniform circular motion, which means what ma? An object move in a circular path which is maintaining over there. A speed should be maintained. When the speed is maintained and it covers a circular path which is called as uniform circular motion. And when object is moving in a circular path, what is happening? No, it get acceleration. Okay, what is meant by accelerated motion? Which means when an object is moving with a constant speed along a circular path is uniform motion. So what is the changes when it's moving? When the object is moving in a circular path, if this is from here the center part, here now this stone is keep on moving. So what is happening to this stone over here? It get accelerated in it. How it get accelerated means here the velocity is changes. We know very well what is change of velocity. When an object changes its velocity, it will get acceleration. How this velocity get changes? Due to change in direction. So from the center point, when object move in a circular path, now I am standing here, so around a ball or any stone is moving on here in a circular way means what is happening? Changing its direction. Without changing it cannot move in a circular path. No. So due to change in direction, what has happened over there? The velocity get changes. So due to change in direction, what is happening? Velocity is changes. So due to velocity changes, what is attaining? It gets the acceleration in it. Okay. What is meant by acceleration motion? When an object is moving with a constant speed along with the circular path, it is called uniform circular motion. When it is in uniform motion, what is happening? There is a change in direction. When there is a change in direction, obviously velocity gets changes. So at the time that particular object get the acceleration. So these are the few examples for uniform circular motion. This is very familiar for us. In the solar system, sun is the center. Around the sun, earth is moving with a constant speed, isn't it? That is why alternatively day and night we are getting, though the speed is being constant over there. Around the earth, the moon is revolving around the earth. So it is also one of the example for uniform circular motion. Apart from that, even in the watch, Okay, the minute hand, second hand, all these are moving in a circular motion. So these are the few examples for the uniform circular motion. One more time tell you, circular motion means an object moving in a circular path. Uniform circular motion means along with that moving, it maintaining a speed. So with the maintaining of speed, moving in a circular path, all this happen with a change of direction. When there is a change in direction, what could change? Velocity get changed. When there is a change in velocity, obviously that particular object definitely will get a acceleration. That is called accelerated motion. That's all about the uniform circular motion, children. We'll see you on the next topic on the next class. Thank you.